Rotate positions, understanding English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rotate positions. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually a very useful and interesting expression. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, rotate positions, is often used in both professional and casual settings. To rotate means to turn around a central point, or to take turns in a sequence. When we talk about positions, we're referring to jobs, roles, or physical places. So, rotate positions essentially means to move or change roles or places, usually in a systematic or planned way. It's about taking turns or swapping roles with someone else. Let's see how rotate positions can be used in various situations. In the workplace, in a work setting, rotating positions could mean employees swapping roles or tasks to gain a broader experience. For instance, our team members rotate positions every 6 months to understand each aspect of the project. In sports, especially team sports like basketball or soccer, players often rotate positions to maintain a strategic advantage or to cover for each other. Example, during the game, the players rotate positions to confuse the opposing team. In everyday life, in everyday scenarios, this phrase can be used more loosely. For example, if you're organizing a dinner party, you might say, "Let's rotate positions at the table so everyone can talk to each other." Understanding the concept of rotating positions is crucial because it's not just about the physical act. It's also about flexibility, adaptability, and gaining new perspectives. In a work environment, it encourages skill development and team understanding. In social situations, it promotes inclusivity and interaction. Now, how can you incorporate this phrase into your daily English? Here are a few tips. 1. Be context-aware. Understand the situation you're in. Using rotate positions in a casual setting might require a more relaxed tone compared to a formal workplace. 2. Practice with variations. Try using the phrase in different tenses and structures. For example, "We rotated positions last week," or "We will be rotating positions in our next meeting." 3. Combine with related vocabulary. Enhance your language skills by using related words like swap, shift, exchange, or alternate. While using rotate positions, be wary of these common errors. 1. Don't confuse with similar phrases. Don't mix it up with phrases like change jobs, which implies a more permanent switch. 2. Context is key. Remember, rotate positions implies a temporary or systematic change. It's not just a random or one-off occurrence. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, rotate positions, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances and contexts of phrases. So keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using this phrase in different settings. See you in the next video.